Let's consider the question on the board. The question is, what value of p would make x squared minus 4x plus p a perfect square? A perfect square. Solution. The right term on the board is perfect square. Now, for a perfect square to be attained, b squared minus 4ac must be equal to 0. Or we can say b squared must equals 4ac. Where this mathematical equation is obtained from the quadratic expression. And the quadratic expression is ax squared plus bx plus c. Let's compare this quadratic expression with what we have from the question. Now the question says x squared minus 4x plus p. By comparison, we can easily obtain the coefficients from this expression. X raised to the power of 2 is equivalent to this term. Minus 4x is equivalent to this term bx. And p is equivalent to c. But in the first term on the board, we have ax squared. Over here, we have just x squared. That means the coefficient of this is 1. A is equal to 1. Yb or plus b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to p. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to p. By substitution, we are going to put all the values into this equation on the board. And the equation is b squared must equal to 4ac for a perfect square to be attained. The value of b is given as minus 4 raised to the power of 2, b squared is equal to 4 times a times c. 4 times a is 1, times c, and c is p. Minus 4 raised to the power of 2 gives minus 4 times minus 4, which equals 16. Equal to 4 times 1 gives 4, and 4 times p is 4p. Divide the two sides of the equation by the coefficient of p. And the coefficient of p is the number that is attached to p on the board. That number is 4. So dividing the both sides by 4, we have 16 divided by 4 and 4p divided by 4. 4 cancels 4 and we are left with just p. P is equal to 16 over 4, or 16 over 4 is equal to P. And 16 over 4 is 4. 16 divided by 4 gives 4, which is equal to P. P equals 4, which is the final result. So the question is, what value of P would make this expression a perfect square? The value of P must be 4.